Okay. Some holy water.
So the audience left. They were scared of the demon dog.
Okay, I'm gonna say some words. Spider web. Okay, I'm gonna say some words. See, that was a demon dog doing that to me. As you can see, get a close up. Pretty demon dog right here. Let me tell the story first. Short story. Don't skip, please.
Could I see?
Okay, so last night in the tent, Pebbles attacked me for no reason, like just straight bit me. This demon dog needs to be blessed ASAP. Like, do it right now, Diego. It's just like a disgrace for Pebbles to be biting people. It's like a Matt's nail disease. Oh, Pebbles. It showed Pebbles.
This holy water is for Pebbles to not be demon dog anymore.
And to be a blessed and happy dog instead of a mad and sad dog. Please donate some B-Bucks or Roblox coins to Pebbles, please. Lávale demons. Lávale demons. Lávale. Are you going now? You run. Lávale demons. Lávale demons. Lávale demons. Lávale demons. Pebbles to Lávale demons. Praise for Pebbles.
Lava demons.
Lava demons. Lava demons. Lava demons.
Lava demons.
See, that was the shaking of a new beginning in life. Now,
Pebbles is a blessed dog.
it's okay. I gotta do this, but Pebbles needs to be like thrown in the water. Sir, remove. Need to throw Pebbles because if I throw Pebbles, she needs to start a new life, new journey, a new chapter. Gotta drop her. Sorry, guys. Move. Move. Holy child.